Today we're making the archaeologist Dinosaur Dig. We'll need cornstarch, water, 7 small containers, 7 small dinosaurs that fit inside the containers, and your tools to chisel and dig out the dinosaurs. In a large bowl, mix 2 cups of cornstarch, then 1 cup of water. Stir until it's thick, not hard and not soupy. If it's too hard, add a little more water, but if it's too soft, add a little more cornstarch. Then stir. Pour the mixture into your containers. And push in the little dinosaur until it's covered. Place them in the sun for about 2 days until they're hard. But it's the middle of winter, so just place them somewhere warm and dry, like in front of your wood-burning stove. Now we just have to wait. There you go. The kids are gonna love this. If you want to see the family movie night we made this for, it's in the link in the description below at the channel Out of Goshen. Definitely check it out. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs button and the bell so you guys can get notifications for when my videos come out. I hope you caught that creative bug.